The deadlift is an excellent exercise to maintain strength in your thighs, glutes, core and pelvic floor muscles, and, last but not least, your back. Your back is being pulled forward and down by your growing bump, so it's crucial to strengthen your back. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart, or a bit wider if your bump is getting big. Hold a dumbbell in each hand down at your sides, palms facing your body. Engage your core with diaphragmatic breathing before initiating the movement, and keep your core engaged throughout the whole exercise, breathing normally. Focus on keeping your shoulders back and your spine neutral, but your spine extends all the way up to the back of your head, so be careful not to be looking up or straight forward as you go down. Then your spine is not neutral. Slowly bend in your hips and knees and lower the dumbbells down as low as you feel comfortable with. Then press firmly down through your heels as you come up into standing position again. If you're more comfortable with having a wider stance because of your bump, you can also hold the dumbbells down in front of your body and lower them between your legs as you move down. Just be careful to press your knees out throughout the movement. If you're experiencing pelvic girdle pain, however, I recommend you keep a narrow stance and just do a shorter range of motion. Hope this helps!